friends, what's up? You know, last time I was here was like a couple months ago, and where am I right now? I'm in Cologne Street. Last time I was here, I was actually at Unitop, and I have this video about how I got this interesting experience at Unitop, and I haven't been back here ever since. I've been gone, I've been busy, been out of town, and it just so happened that today I was running some errands, right? And I was like, oh snap, look at this, it's Unitop. Which reminded me of a couple of things. One, the experience that I had here, where this lady just completely ignored the fact that I was there trying to buy something, and two, I got help from some amazing other humans, and three, I got reminded that I indeed need to change my phone cover because it's really falling apart. It looks like basura. So I am now deciding that I'm gonna go inside of Unitop. I'm gonna go to Unitop, where I'm gonna go ahead and change my phone cover. Like I planned to do so like a while ago and I never did. So I'm gonna change my phone cover, and I don't know, maybe I'm gonna stop by that same little shop where I got some help, because that's where all the friendly humans are. So Unitop, here I come. Whoop. Okay, here we go, crossing the street, Unitop, here I come. Mask had to come back on. Good to go. I made it, and I found my little shop. Okay, so this is what's happening. I found the wonderful people at this shop that actually helped me last time, and and then I discovered that there is a Ruth, right? And Ruth told me she's an expert also of phone cover changing, because the phone cover amiga is busy here with another customer, right? So I'm gonna get some help from Ruth, because I'm on a schedule and I want to pagdalipod. And this is Ruth. Ruth, can you say hello here? Hi, Ruth. And this is the shop. This is the shop that was so friendly with me, that was so nindot, and I need to balik here. And the last time I was here, I go to this shop over there. I went to this shop. At this shop behind me, always pwede walay tao. Nagduwat magudang tandera, walay customer service sa ilaha. Dahil dali mo balik dira. Karon na itaw. Oh, karon na itaw. Karon na customer service. Pero last time na ko dire walay, there's no customer service. Murag walay tao. So karon lang. So anyway, finally, I had gotten myself a stick. But today I come back to the shop that helped me, so that way I can get my I can get a phone cover. And this is no joke. Look at this. I'm going to show you. Look at this. Very, very ugly. You know, I need to have a phone cover that's guapo like me. Right, Ruth? Alright. Ruth agree, man. Good. So this is the model. I don't know what model, but I can get a new one other than this ugly one. So can we find a model like this one? Like a guapa model? I don't know.
Huawei?
No, Vivo.
Vivo.
Oh. Okay, so I have finally found a new phone cover that's going to fit my phone perfectly. And you know what's interesting? My favorite tandera here just told me, "Oh yes, I remember you." If it wasn't for her, I would be stranded, man. I wouldn't have gotten myself a stick, and I would be very soko. I would not be happy. Yes. So I keep my word. I come back, and then I'm going to turn this off for a while, because what are we going to do? We're going to change my we're going to change my temper. Kay batig na ako kung temper. So this is what we're going to do. And you know what? She just told me that the tandera from the other shop that had no customer service, she's not here anymore. She got fired. I don't know. I don't know, but anyway, this is good news for the world. So let's go. Let's replace na lang akong tempered. So that way I can have one bill. But the good news there is that I have a discount code, so no problem. I've been at 200 now, but it's only 100 or 150. So maybe I have 50 peso discount. So we have successfully changed my plastic. See, this is the ugly plastic that was on my phone earlier. So this is all changed. It's gonna go now to basura. After the basura mo? Oh, before and after. You cannot see the after because it's on my phone right now. I'm using my phone to record. But this is the basura before, including all the plastic. So ambot labay namin ang plastic. Unbelievable boy. So, bad. Tapos na ko. Salamat again for your
bayad.
Oh, bayad oy. Kalimot.
250. It's sobra.
Oh, sobra.
250. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. So Ruth, I'm almost ready to go, huh? But before I go, I'm gonna istorya na lang sa akong amiga. Hoy, wala customer, no?
Wala.
Oh, ari dire nag-istorya namin dire pareho. You remember last time, diba? Last time we were here, we talked about how, okay, right, night out, that's it. Oh, if ever you come back here, bring Jollibee, right? Bring Jollibee. Oh, so the thing is, akong tubag sa una, depende. Okay, so the thing is, right, today I don't have Jollibee, but if ever you saw my video, I put something on there that, okay, I will bring something. So I will show you, huh? I will show you. I don't have a Jollibee, but I have a different pasalubong. Okay, so this is my pasalubong for you and your kauban, because I remember you're the one that helped me. So look at this. I have got my pasalubong for my Unitop ladies, the one that helped me. Thank you. Okay. Ay nako. All right, I gotta go. But before I go, here, this is my pasalubong to you. Da. Imone. Pasalubong given. Thank you for your help. Nay pasalubong sayaw na me. Oy, my phone is so very cute now. I'm so happy.
Like me.
Yes. What's the name of your other cowboy here? This one. Eileen Grace?
Yeah.
Hello, Eileen Grace. Nice to meet you. And then thank you again. Oy. Dako man sila for the night again sulod para sa you can share na lang if you like with your everybody. Na hapit na ang oras pag manihapon, so okay naman. Invisible because night against natural sa kolon. Hoy, stay friendly. Ato na ko, salamat kayo para sa tanan. Manita ko diri ang button side. Wala na katong tao, wala customer service na bago tao karon, so manita lang gihapon. Salamat ha. Ang ping enjoy. Oh.